17. Rule 17 deals with the action of the stand-on vessel, including the provision that stand-on vessel may take action to avoid collision by her maneuver alone, as soon as it becomes apparent to her that the vessel required to keep out of the way is not taking appropriate action.
17 letter A number 1. So when you are the stand-on vessel, you must keep your course and speed, and you must not do anything unexpected. So this rule 17 letter A number 1 tackles all about keeping your course and speed at ease, or you must not do anything unexpected to your vessel. So rule 17 letter A number 2, as soon as it becomes apparent that the giveaway vessel is not taking appropriate action, then you may take your action to avoid a collision. So this rule 17 number 2 is all about taking action to avoid collision. If ever the other ship is not taking appropriate action, then you must know, or you must take your own action to avoid this collision. Thank you.
Good day. Rule 17B. When a collision cannot be avoided by the giveaway vessel alone, then you must take the best action you can to avoid collision. Your action under Rule 17 must still be in time to avoid collision, so you must not leave it too late. So when a giveaway vessel doesn't take action, then you must take the best action as a stand-on vessel to avoid collision. Because this rule doesn't state that you didn't need to take action to avoid collision. So if you are in a situation that a collision can be avoided, then take action as soon as possible as a stand-on vessel.
Where one of two vessels is to keep out of the way, the other shall keep her course and speed. The latter vessel may, however, take action to avoid collision by her manoeuvre alone as soon as it becomes apparent to her that the vessel required to keep out of the way is not taking appropriate action in compliance with these rules. So in this example, the yellow ship is the give-way vessel and the maroon ship is the stand-on vessel. So the first part of the rule says that the maroon ship should maintain her course and speed. However, if the yellow ship hadn't stopped, then it would be okay for the maroon ship to take avoiding action herself using her own manoeuvring ability so that she avoids that risk of collision. When from any cause the vessel required to keep her course and speed finds herself so close that collision cannot be avoided by the action of the give-way vessel alone, she shall take such action as will best aid to avoid collision. So in this example, the yellow ship has continued during a crossing situation where she's the give-way vessel, and the maroon ship has had to take action to avoid collision. There could be many reasons that the yellow ship hasn't taken avoiding action, and under Rule 2 it may have made a departure from the rules in case of an emergency, there may be another hazard, anything like that. But the point is that the maroon vessel must take avoiding action to best avoid collision. Also, that avoiding action isn't prescribed. It doesn't say whether or not she should slow down or alter course. A power-driven vessel which takes action in a crossing situation in accordance with subparagraph A part 2 of this rule to avoid collision with another power-driven vessel shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, not alter course to port for a vessel on her own port side. The reason for this is, although the yellow ship may not be taking action early enough, if she does take action under the crossing rule, then she's going to make an alteration of course to starboard, and if the maroon ship alters course to port, that's going to end in a collision or a near miss. This rule does not relieve the give-way vessel of her obligation to keep out of the way. What that means is you can't, in a crossing situation, say, I'll stand on, because whatever happens, the maroon vessel must take avoiding action if I do so. That's not the case. You have to obey the collision regulations as they've been written, and in a crossing situation, you give way to power-driven vessels coming from your starboard side.